Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how we fix Wi-Fi problem in Honor Play 10. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.